Imagine you want to generate embeddings JSON for a custom PDF document for Gemini 1.5 Flash model. So let's see. So say for example you have a sample document which has some text, and you want to create the embeddings for this for the which can be understandable by Gemini model. This can be used for RAG applications, retrieval augmented generation applications. So how to do that? So for that I have written a very simple Python course. Let me walk you through. So over here in this Python code, of course, you have to give the Gemini details, say for example your API key and all, and then you have to there are few methods. First method is, so it uses Python PDF to extract the text from that PDF, and once that text is extracted, then that will get into this chunk text where it will divide the complete text into smaller chunks, and then it will generate the embeddings for the chunks whatever is created over here. And so over here it will of course use the model. So here we'll use embedding user one, which is in coherence with the flash Gemini 1.5 flash model, which is right now available for prototyping over yeah. And then we will use once we have the generating embeddings, then we can use that to write it to our uh, custom JSON file, that particular to our JSON file. So these vectors and all are just for testing purpose over here. Local testing, this is optional. Yeah, but once you have embeddings in chunks, then it will be written into data to export, and that will be written into this JSON file and the form of dump. So that's all. So to run this Python, we have to make sure that this particular API key is correct. So for API key, what you can do it is you can go to this Google AI Studio and go here in your get API key. If the API key is not already created, you may create it by using this particular create API button. Otherwise, you can go here and just copy the existing API key, and then that what we will change it in the over here. Don't use my API key anyway. I'll change it or I'll remove it after this uh, recording. But yeah, you can create your own. It's freely available anywhere. And just click on script.py, and I'm expecting a file to be created, newly file with data1.json. So if I go here, yeah, this is a new file which got created. So if I can open it, so more or less this file will also be same. Of course, this vector embeddings will be a slight difference, there may be, but otherwise more or less it will be same chunks, because it's using the same model embedding G01 to create this embeddings, and this is compatible with Gemini 1.5 Flash model, which is like right now freely available for prototyping over here. Yeah, so I think over here you can use it. Okay, so that's all. I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.